Oh yeah. Since the dawn of time, or at least as long as wine and chocolate have existed, people have always tried to put the two together. But it can be kind of a controversial pairing because it doesn't always work. Believe it or not, chocolates have tannins in them too. So tannic chocolate and tannic red wine typically don't work very well together because you have bitter working against bitter. In order for this pairing to truly work, what you need is a sweet palate to counter all those tannins in the wine. In this month's Premium Wine Club, we've got 2 giant red Cabernets from Oakville, and we're going to be pairing them with truffles from Micha Chocolates in Haddonfield, New Jersey. Now, Cabernet Sauvignon, particularly Napa Cabernet, is well known for having these intense dark berry fruit flavors. And because they often see a lot of oak aging, on top of that you get a lot of spice, in particular vanilla. And for that reason, we made sure that all of our truffles had a sweet center. 2 of them are filled with a berry ganache, 1 a sweet caramel and salt combination, and the double chocolate ganache with vanilla bean. Now, both of the wines in our set have a similar flavor profile, so I don't think you're going to notice a huge difference in the way they pair with the chocolates. So now that the scene has been set, let's see how each chocolate works with the wines. We're going to start with this delicious little round half dome here, which is cherry. Okay, so the cherry truffle really takes the wine to a level, just bursting with cherry cola and black cherry flavor. And it makes it feel a lot more round and juicy, kind of like Cherry's Jubilee or a Black Forest cake. Next, let's go with a smaller square here, which is a rosemary caramel. Wow, you can actually smell the rosemary before you even take a bite of it. Very herbaceous. But after sipping the wine, the herbaceous character just really blows through the roof. It almost even tastes like sage to me. And it really brings out the woodiness of the wine, especially in the broth. So next up, let's go with our Double Dark. That Double Dark is a pristine pairing, which I think works beautifully. It brings out this port wine quality in the Cabernet, and it accentuates the fruitiness of the cacao. And lastly, it's pretty easy to figure out which one is the raspberry ganache because it's the only one left without a bite out of it. Whoa, my oh my, that is intense. It's just like a raspberry bomb that explodes in your mouth. It really rounds out the wine and softens the tannins up. And the raspberry really accentuates the alcohol in the wine, really cranks the heat up a little bit, almost making it feel and taste like a cordial. Wow, so those were delicious, and I want to eat them all, but I'm supposed to save half for my wife. That is true love, my friends. So red wine and chocolate is a beautiful pairing if you do it right. The key is that you have to find the perfect balance, yin and yang, sweet and bitter, if you will. These pairings were sublime, and I hope you get a chance to try them for yourself with our premium wine subscription. And if you didn't get a chance to join us for these wines, don't worry, because there are always more premium bottles coming up in future months. Come join me for the next set. I can't wait to reveal what it is, and better yet, taste it together with you. On behalf of WTSO, I'm Mark Supsick. Cheers.